Hello you lot. I thought I'd stop and do a quick video beside the road because it's been a little while since I produced any content. I thought I'd run through some of the modifications I've done on the car, some of the repairs I've done on the car, and the actual costs. First off, there's obviously the cost of the car. I bought this with cash actually. Outright purchase. I mean, it was £3,100, but I will put that on the side of the screen. So let's go through some of the mods. The last thing I had done was the upper gearbox mount, the upper engine mount, and you won't be able to see it because it's down below, but I also had the low rear stabilizer mount for the gearbox done. I shall put the cost of the items on the side of the screen now, and then obviously at the end of the video I will total up what it was. One of the other things I did to the car was spray the fog light surrounds. I also sprayed the rear light surrounds, which obviously house the reverse light. One of the other thing was these 18-inch wheels by Team Dynamic Motorsports. Also shot with Yokohama Advan tyres. The other thing I did was bought two front wings pre-painted. Basic maintenance wise, I've just changed things like the wiper blades. There we go. Well, again, another brief video, basically explaining the costs and where I'm at with the car so far. Obviously, there's a lot more to do, an awful lot more to do, and hopefully, come September, October time, I'll be adding some parts to the basket. There's also a lot of basic things that need doing on the car as well, so I will also be doing those soon. As per usual, if you want to see more content about my ST, then click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell, so the next time I upload, could be any video, you'll get notified as to what's happening. But until then, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.